So I'm going to try to solder this wire back because I accidentally knocked this light down that goes up there, and when it knocked down it pulled the wire apart. But as you can see, hold on, let me show you. See the wire there? I think I might trim it down a little more though, so I can expose more wire. But the switch is turned on, so see the light? So basically what I'm gonna do, I have a soldering tool I used to use to make stuff with. I have a soldering tool. I also have a little bit of solder. And I am going to fix this light right quick. Be right back. Okay, I used this soldering tool. It's still hot. I didn't unplug it yet because I wanted to make sure that I could still use it. So, let me see. Let you see that. I soldered that piece back together there. So, we're going to see. Here's the moment of truth. Did it work? Did it work? Yes, it worked. It worked. So, I soldered that back. And soldered that. So now I could place it back up there. So I attached the light back. I had to use oil to try to get this mess in there. It was so hard to get it up in there, wedged in like the other one. So let's see. It works. Let's turn on the other one. That one works as well. Yep. So, my soldering job worked. I'm proud. Thanks for watching.